Hi, you guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about autistic children in low income families. In the past, I've brought this up. I've talked about parents of autistic children struggling to get the help their child needs, but I've never really gone into details about it. I'm bringing this up because I wanted to get the word out about the Autism Awareness Campaign. This campaign helps low income families struggling with caring for their autistic child. So, to start off, I wanted to bring up how just having an autistic child usually results in a 27% reduction in family income. That is a lot of money, you guys. That really takes a toll on families, especially those who are already struggling financially. Um, so these low income families are struggling so much to even get their child diagnosed. This is because the diagnosis process is so complex and expensive, and it's just really hard for them to get to complete the diagnosis process. So many families try, and they can't finish it. But this campaign financially supports families throughout the diagnosis process and will provide them with other helpful information and resources. Um, so, for example, if there's a family that doesn't speak English, this campaign will provide access to doctors and specialists that are bilingual and are willing to work with families who don't speak English. Almost one-third of autistic children live in poverty. There are so many struggling parents trying to figure out what to do. Luckily, the Autism Awareness Campaign provides interventions that parents can attend and learn new strategies and ideas for parenting their child. They can also discuss similar situations or struggles they might be experiencing with other parents who also have autistic children. These interventions really just give struggling parents help and hope for their child. Um, you guys, this campaign is amazing. I wanted to get the word out. If you or anyone you know is struggling with supporting an autistic child, check out this campaign. See if you apply. Tell other families about it. It's really just such a good cause. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. I will also be putting a link to the Autism Awareness Campaign website in the description. Thank you guys so much for listening, and I will see you later.